children, welcome back to social class. We are in which block? Block 5, neighborhood and school. In our last class what we have discussed about? We have discussed about our neighborhood, right? What is a neighborhood? Can anyone tell? Yes, neighborhood is a place where we live along with the other families in one area, right? What is a neighborhood? A neighborhood is a place where we live along with the other families in one area. So today we are going to learn about the important places in our neighborhood. What is our lesson today? Block 5 neighborhood and school. In that, what is our lesson today? LP2 places in the neighborhood. The important places in the neighborhood. Okay, we are going to learn about what are the important places in our neighborhood. Can you name any important places in your neighborhood which you have near to your house? Which you think those are most important for our lives? Can you name any? Yes. For example, milk shop or any store like supermarket or vegetable shop, schools, hospitals, police stations, post offices and fire station. And there are a lot of places which we need most, right? Didn't it? So some important places are like the schools, hospitals, police stations, milk booths, hotels, vegetable shops, supermarkets, restaurants, banks, petrol pumps, parks and some more important things. Okay, isn't it? For example, just imagine without these can we able to live? For example, in my neighborhood, if I don't have any vegetable shop or if I don't have any grocery store or supermarket, do you think it will be easy to survive? Do you think it is easy for me to live in that place? For example, if I need to buy some vegetables for my daily routine, if I have to travel a long place, for a long far place, for example 5 to 6 kilometers every day to bring the vegetables only, do you think that place is good for me? Yes? No, na? When we feel comfortable, if the vegetable shop is near to me, if I can go on by walk or if I'll bring my vegetables on easy method, then the place is very comfortable for me. For example, if I don't have any police station near to my house, any bad person can come and can do harm to me, or if any robbers or thieves can come and he will rob me, right? So if I don't have any police station near to my house or near to my place, do you think I feel safer in that place? Do you think we feel safe in that places? No, na? So that police station is also important, right? Okay, now I'll ask you one question. If there is no hospital, suddenly if I or you got a stomach pain, for example, okay, I'll take myself. If I have a house where I live, if I don't have any hospital near to my house, if I get a stomach pain, what I'll do? I have to wait until the ambulance to reach to my house. But if the stomach pain is very heavy or if any accident happened to someone and if hospitals are very far to my house, what should I do then? I have to wait for ambulance. So sometimes it can be dangerous to wait for ambulance. Sometimes it can be, right? But if I have a small, even it is a small hospital, it is not necessary to have a big hospital. Even if it is a small hospital, if I have one near to my house, at least I can do first aid there. After that I can go to the super specialty or some big hospitals, right? Right? So what are the main important things? Police station, hospital, vegetable shelving shop and a grocery shop. These are the must places. And what if any fire accident happened to any house? Then we need also a fire station, right? So according to you and according to me, which are the important places which every neighborhood must have? According to you and according to me, according to every person, what are the important places in our neighborhood which we must have? Yes, a vegetable shop, a grocery shop, milk booth, police station, hospitals, fire station and some temples. And as you are children, and what are the important places for that every children required? Parks, right? To play, we need a good space, right? Children need a good space to play with other friends. So parks are also important for us, right? So some important places Up to now we have discussed. Now I'll ask you some question. Okay. By seeing one place, how you will identify that is a hospital? For example, I have shown you some place. By seeing that, how you identify that place is a hospital, that place is a grocery shop, that place is a supermarket, that place is a vegetable shop? How do you identify it? Okay, I will show you one symbol. Example. Children, everyone, observe this symbol. Where we find this symbol? Have you ever seen this symbol? Yes. On every hospital, where we can see this plus mark on hospitals in red color. Didn't it? So when we see this mark, we easily identify that is a hospital. But most of these days, so many hospitals are not having this symbol. But even though we can find it, that is a hospital. How we can find out? By seeing the people who work in that places. Doctors wear white apron, right? And what they will have in their throats? Stethoscope. And the nurses also will wear white dresses. And by seeing them only, we can identify that that place is a hospital and those are doctors and nurses. Okay. How you will identify the police station? Yes, by seeing their uniforms, right? Yes, by seeing their uniforms, caps, and by their shoes and belts, we can identify that is a police station. And police station, every police station before it used to have red color on it. Nowadays we don't see every police station which have a red color on it. But in before days it used to have a red color on it, and we will see the boards also. Yes, the sign boards and the naming boards also help us to find out the places, right? So by seeing those boards, by reading them, by identifying the symbols of the police station and hospitals, we can identify the places names, right? And the schools. How you can find out the schools? Yes, by seeing the children uniforms and by seeing that name boards, right? We can find out that is a school. And how we will find out the vegetables in supermarkets? It is very easy. By seeing all the vegetables, all kind of vegetables are stored in one place, easily we can find out that is a vegetable shop. And how you will find out that is a supermarket? Nowadays it is very easy, right? Where we can find all the groceries, all the materials in one place along with the vegetables, that is a supermarket. Nowadays we have, right, more supermarket is there, and here Reliance supermarket is there in front of our school, isn't it? So all these places are very important to us, but they are not important for human being. Yes, those all are important for human beings. Those are very important for us. And mainly, what are the most important things? Schools, hospitals, police stations, fire stations, and railway stations, bus stops, supermarkets, grocery shops, ration shops, milk goods, everything are very important. These are the important places in our neighborhood where we must have in our neighborhood or where we have near to our house. Okay, now have you understood what are the important places in our neighborhood? Now I'll ask some questions, okay? If I need to buy vegetables, which neighborhood place I have to go? Vegetable shop. If I hurt my feet, if I hurt my finger, or if I get a stomach pain, where should I go? A hospital, right? If any bad people are coming, or if any thief I have seen that, then where I should go? To a police station. If I want to play with my kids, right? Where I have to go? Yes, I should go to the parks. For example, if I have to rent a house, which kind of a neighborhood I have to find out? Okay, I have, for example, now I have to rent a house. Okay, so I have seen two houses. One house near to the supermarket, and that house is very far to the police station. That is, the police station is very long from my house. And second house is where I have police station near to my house, hospital is also near to my house, and supermarket is also near to my house, and school also near to my house. Now you tell me which house I have to choose in between those two houses. The house which I have supermarket, police station and hospital and schools, or else the house which I have a police station far from my house. Yeah, the house which I have near to the police station, near to the hospital, near to the school and near to the supermarket, because I have all the facilities to my house, didn't it? So that kind of a house which I have to rent if I want to take. So do you understand what are the important places in our neighborhood? Okay, now I'll ask one more question, you have to answer it. If I say, you have to choose 3 places, for example, park, hospital and police station. First one which you will choose? Yes, a hospital is a must place, right? So where we have to choose a house if we want to live near to the hospital, and if it is okay, if little bit far a police station and park are near far to our house, it is okay. But even if it is 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers near to house only, we have to choose that kind of a house, didn't it? Okay. So now I'll ask one more question. If I ask you to choose a house, if I ask a police station and a park, which is important for you? Police station or park? Yes. Where the important neighborhood where we have in front of our house or near to our house, which neighborhood is perfect for our house? Police station, right? Park, where if it is a far away from our houses also, it's okay, we can go to the park. But what are the most important neighborhood must we have? Police station, right? And another one, hospitals. Okay, now everyone, what you have to do? You have to open your textbooks. Everyone open page number 36, Nana. Yes, here we can see people, how they help us. Here we all have the people: doctor, police, teacher, postman, vegetable seller, milkman, cleaner, cobbler, barber, cart. In last lesson we already discussed, right? How they will help us. Okay, this one you have to open page number 35. Okay, so here we have places, how they help us. Hospital, how it help. Police station, how it help. Bank, how it help. Post office, market, parks, how they will help to us. You have to read from your textbook. You have to read this table from your textbook. Afterwards, everyone open your volume. Yes, page number 30 in your volume. So, in which lesson we are in? Neighborhood and school, and LP2, places in the neighborhood. So everyone don't forget to write the date. So what is the first one? Fill in the blanks. I will go to the dash if I hurt my foot. If I got an injury, where I should go? To the hospitals. If I go to the dash to the post a letter, where I have to go? A post office. I'll go to the dash to study. Where you will go to study? School. I will go to the dash to buy fruits. Where you will go? Yes, any vegetable, any fruit market or any supermarket. Didn't it? Now, name some other places that exist in your neighborhood. How do they help? You have to write some important neighborhood places which have around your houses. Okay, where you have around your houses, you have to include the names and how they help us, you have to write here. And what is the third question here we have? Between a park and a police station, which is more important for a neighborhood and why? So between a park and a police station, which one is important neighborhood for us? You have to choose it. You have to choose it and you have to give a reason why it is important for you. So everyone, and don't forget to read the textbook after finishing every LP. Are you writing the notes? Yes? First LP, finishing after first LP, what you have to write? You have to write hard words, copy from the textbook, did you know, and glossary. After that, I already told you the second question, what is a neighborhood, right? And after that, what is the next question here we have? Third one, who are the people who live and work in and around your home or neighborhood? Yes, you have, Fourth question, which are the important places in your neighborhood? You should not answer the third question. Sorry, Nana. Fourth question, which are the important places in a neighborhood? So, which is the important place? Yes, right now only we discussed on the board, right? Schools, hospitals, police stations, milk booths, hotels, vegetable shops, supermarkets, restaurants, banks, petrol pumps and parks. Whatever you think those are important places, you can write on your own. Okay? I hope you all understood the lesson. Don't forget to read every day. Okay? Thank you.